and welcome to an educational video. We are going to discuss the uh, method of how to find the daily bias. Okay, so uh, listen carefully. Let me tell you one thing. What is daily bias? Daily bias basically is a way of understanding that where should the market probably will go next day or the present day. Okay, so the daily bias method is simple. Like the daily bias, it's like the whole direction for the price of for a specific day or a specific week or a specific month. Okay, so once you've learned the daily bias, then you can easily find out the monthly, weekly blueprint. Okay, but first, it's not the narrative of the market. Okay, it's the whole direction for the day. Okay, whole direction means where the market have the potential to go, and from where did it get reversed. Okay, so daily bias जो है ना ये बेस है कैंडल हाई लो एंड क्लोज पे. ओके, daily bias are based on the candle open high low and close. This is very important. Okay, so if you don't know about the open high low close, okay, then probably this video is not for you. Okay, so uh let's go towards the. Okay, firstly we will learn the continuation phase. Okay, this is called the continuation phase. Okay, in this case the present candle close above the previous day high. Okay, if the present candle, like this candle, closes above the previous day high. Okay, as I mentioned here, PDH, close, open, or PDL. Okay, if the current candle closes above the previous candle high. Okay, in this case, if the daily closes above the high or below of PDH or PDL, we should look for continuation market profile. Okay, so what's the bias in this case? The bias are bullish. Okay, and we call it the bullish continuation. Okay, if the price closes above the previous day high. Okay, what if the price closes below the previous day low? Okay, this will be your the continuation, the bearish continuation. Okay, so if the current candle closes below the low of the previous candle. Okay, folks, listen carefully. If the current candle closes below the low of the previous candle, you have a bearish continuation on the next day. Okay, so this is your continuation phase. Now we have a reversal phase. Okay, like as you can see, if the current candle closes below the high of the previous candle. Okay, this is very important. The highs and the lows are important. Okay, the candle body and the candle high, the previous candle high and the current candle body is very important. If the current candle body closes below the high of the previous candle, okay, then you probably wait for look for a reversal. Okay, on the next day, yeah, current day. Okay, this will be like your reversal phase. Okay, and this will be like your bearish reversal, and same thing for a bullish reversal. Okay, if the current candle closes above the low of the previous candle. Okay, if the current daily candle closes above the low of previous day candle, this will be like your bullish reversal day. Okay, you should plan for a buy on the next day, or to look for a buy in a market. okay, on current day or next day. Okay, so here are some points. Note it, please. If you're looking for trades for continuation, you should look for buy period below the midnight open. Okay, so midnight open is very important. At ICT, the midnight open is very important. You want to trade continuation, that will be fair buy for price to go in your direction. Okay, same applied for sell. If you had continuation for sell, you should look for PDRA, so sell PDRA and sell above midnight open. Okay, so let's get these points, okay, on a chart, and uh let me let me teach you all these on the live chat. Okay. So this is a dollar index, okay, DXY, or as you can see. First, we will see the continuation. Okay, then we will see the next things. Okay, like as you can see, this is a daily candle. Okay, this is the high of the daily candle. Okay, as you can see, the Wednesday 3 June candle closes above the previous day high. Okay, so now what you're looking for? You're looking for a buy. Okay, you're looking for a buy on next day. As you can see, next day came in, tapped the extreme PY of the Wednesday 3 June, and closes above. Okay, this is a big range actually. This is a daily chart. Okay, now as you can see, this is a bullish continuation. Okay, now we will see a bearish continuation. Okay, look at this. Uh, this is the low of the daily candle, and this is the high of the daily candle. Okay, this Monday 13 April, this candle closes below the low of the previous day. Okay, then what you should looking for? You should looking for sell. And the Tuesday 14 April, as you can see, a big sell. Okay, so this is your bearish continuation. Now we are looking for a reversal. Okay, now we are looking for a reversal. Okay, as you can see, the this is your Thursday 16 April. This is the low of the daily candle, and this is the high of the daily candle. And as you can see, the 17 April candle came down and sweeps the low and close above the previous day low. Okay, what it was telling you? It was telling you for a reversal on the Monday. Okay, as you can see, price opens here and came up and then tapped this daily FEG and came down and then again came up. Okay, this is a bullish reversal, and now we are looking for a bearish reversal. Okay, so okay, this is a good example. As you can see, this is a Monday 4 May, and as you can see, the 5th May candle came up, sweeps the low and sweeps the high and closes below the high. Oh, so what is it? Is a bearish reversal on the next day, like Wednesday 16 May. Okay, 6 May, sorry, Wednesday 6 May, the candle came down and take this liquidity up and then go up like this. Okay, so now the question is, what is midnight open? Okay, so basically midnight open is like the 000, the 40 and the chart. Okay, okay, so always buy below the midnight open and sell above the midnight high. Okay, so like if you are in a bullish trend and price goes like this, and you had like daily candle open here, go up, and now the midnight open is here. Okay, the midnight open is here. Like if we have the midnight open is here, and you had a buying FVG below the midnight open. Okay, and you had a bullish continuation. Okay, so if price came up, came down below the midnight open and taps this 1 area M15 period and give you an expansion, then you can buy from here. Okay, this will be like a fair buy for you. Okay, a a discount equilibrium buy for you. Okay. Okay. So like this is for buy, and the same thing is for a sell. Okay, like this. If price came down here like this, and then low like this, and you had a midnight open here. Okay, if you had a midnight open here, and then you have a selling PDA right over here, like a unicorn. Okay, if price goes up and tap this PDA, then you have like you have to sell from here or within weather confirmations. Okay, like this. I hope so. You will get these daily payas and the midnight open. If you had question, then you can drop a comment. Okay, so these are actually very important. Okay, the same things applies on a weekly time frame as well. If you go to the 1 week and then remove drawings. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, see this. This is a reversal. This is the high. Okay, this is the high. Okay, this is a reversal phase, and then how smoothly the next week came down. Okay, this is again the reversal, and how smoothly the next week goes up. Okay, look at this. This is a continuation, the weekly high, and the Monday 2 March weekly candle closes above the with the 23 March. Okay, sorry, 23 February, and then the next candle, as you can see, the Monday 9 March. Okay, 9 March. The 9 March weekly candle came down and then have to fill these PDAs of the daily, and then goes up like this, clear this liquidity as well. Oh, this is a bullish continuation. Now look for a bearish continuation. Okay, this is the daily candle low, sorry, weekly candle low. This week's candle closes below this low, and then the next week open here and came up to fill the daily R4 RFEG in this weekly range, and then goes down, clear this low, and as well as these lows. Okay, this is again a reversal phase. Okay, now look at this reversal, and then go, then continuation. Okay, so same things apply for a monthly chart as well. Okay, same thing applied for a monthly chart as well. Okay, now look at this. Okay, this is a reversal. Okay, then this came down again. This is again a reversal. It filled these daily, sorry, weekly FEGs, and then came down. This is a continuation phase, and then the next month open up here and then go down and clear these liquidities. This is a bullish continuation, as you can see. Okay, these are bearish reversals. These are bullish reversals. These are bullish reversals, as you can see on the chart. Okay, so if you use this as on a daily time frame, it will work good. If you use the daily bias same on a weekly time frame, it will work excellent. If you use the weekly bias on the monthly candle, it will work extraordinary. Okay, so hope so you get it. Okay, and when the question arises, okay, when the daily bias changes. Okay, when the daily bias gets changed, daily bias gets changed when the daily candles uh, taps the daily or weekly or monthly PDAs. Okay, so now look at this, as you can see. Look at this. The as this daily candle taps this PDA, it got a reversal. Okay, and now look at this. How like this is a reversal. Okay, this is a reversal. The next candle open up, goes up, tap the daily FPG, and then the next day it came down. Okay, so you have to like for sure you have to be aware of the PDAs as well. Okay, so hope so you'll get it. Okay, so thank you so much, folks, for watching. And if you had some questions, then you can ask in the comment section. Okay, so wish you good luck and happy trade.